Hey YouTube, hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing fine. Today, this is Ali, of course, with I got International 2018 Cummins X15 engine LT625. Today I decided to show you how to drain your coolant. If you ever decided to change your coolant, it's too old in there, you want to replace your coolant and you want to drain your coolant. So this is International T, and here where is actually the button. It's like a bolt or whatever. If you keep looking, keep going down, you see the light wires. You go down, look at this knob right here. It's below the radiator cover right here. You see this knob? There's two ways to do this. One, if you look here really, there's like, you can press that, you know. Oh, it's stuck, yeah. So you press that, the coolant will start coming. See, it's stuck, it's dirty. See, that's a coolant, guys. Spread coolant. So let me bring something, can show you better. Of course, this is my tools station. Yeah, from this, let's show you. So this is the button where you need, you see, you saw the coolant right there. I'm going to replace my coolant, so I have to drain it all. That is the coolant, and you have to keep pushing though, or you get some kind of socket goes in there, helps you to take that loose and drain it. Or my favorite way, get your wrench, socket 22, stick it in there. There you go. Keep going, keep. There you go. You see I loosed it. That it's gone inside now. So socket 22, you loose it. You have more room here also. I think I bought this bucket from Home Depot. That's a big bucket, so I'm not going to use it. That's a big bucket. That's a 20 gallon, I think. Yeah, and that's enough because your engine Cummins 615 for International T takes 15 to 16 gallon of antifreeze coolant. So anyways, just lose that a little bit so I can open it by my hand. It's really, usually it's not too tight. Take your nut off. Got this hose. I found this hose because I don't want to make a mess. Don't want to make a mess. So I know it will shoot out, but yeah, let's do this slowly. See the coolant is down. Yeah, slowly, because I don't want it to start shooting and get a mess everywhere. Oh, what did happen? Oh my. Oh, look at that hose in there. Did you see that, guys? Yeah. So put that hose and you know, slid it a drain in that bucket. Yeah, that was a mess, you know. Yeah, and that's it. Yep, guys, that's it. And don't forget your bowl, of course. My bowl, I think it fell somewhere. I'll find it, no worries. Anyways, guys, that's how you do drain your coolant from your LP to 625 from your truck. I hope this video helps a lot of people. If you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much all, and you have a good one. Bye bye.